Want to fast-track your journey to an excellent credit score in the USA? This video will show you the quickest and most effective strategies. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, and it's essential for major financial decisions in the US. A strong credit score can unlock lower interest rates on loans, better insurance rates, easier apartment rentals, and even utility hookups. Your credit score is primarily determined by two main factors: paying your bills on time and how much of your available credit you use. If you're starting with no credit, these foundational steps are crucial for establishing a history quickly. One of the fastest ways to get reporting history is to become an authorized user on a family member's long-standing credit card account, provided they have excellent payment history. A secured credit card is ideal for beginners. You put down a deposit, which becomes your credit limit, helping you build payment history responsibly. Consistency is king. On-time payments are the single most important factor. Always pay at least the minimum due date, but ideally pay the full statement balance. Once you have credit access, using it smartly is the key to accelerating your score growth. Your credit utilization ratio, or the amount of credit you use versus your total limit, should be kept low. Aim for under 30% and strive for under 10% for the fastest improvement. Don't wait for the statement due date. Making small payments throughout the month keeps your reported balance low, which instantly helps your utilization ratio. Proactively monitoring your credit profile ensures accuracy and helps you stay on track. Regularly check your credit report for any inaccuracies. Errors can drag down your score, so dispute them immediately to ensure your history is correct. Consider a credit builder loan. You make payments into a savings account, and once paid off, you receive the money. This reports positive installment loan history without immediate risk. These strategies will put you on the fast track to a great credit score. Remember the quickest ways to build credit: becoming an authorized user, opening a secured card, and keeping your credit utilization well under 30%. While you can accelerate the process, consistency and patience over several months are key to achieving and maintaining a truly excellent credit score in the long term.